Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to MFD Garage. We have got an excellent one today. We have got a fun one. Y'all saw that we picked up this McLaren 570S. I mean, she sounds all right, guys. She sounds good. Okay, she doesn't sound all that good, but after today, she will. We are going to install this bad boy right here. Oh yeah, baby. We're gonna throw that exhaust on there, and she is gonna be so sweet. Now, I must admit, we're kind of cheating because, yes, we're throwing the exhaust on. But in this box right here is a catless downpipe system, and we're impatient. We're impatient. We can get the exhaust put on this afternoon. We're gonna go up to Charlie's shop, throw the exhaust on, make it sound better. The catless delete downpipes, they'll take a little bit longer to do. So, but we're impatient, guys. But we got a busy day, so we have to go load this up, go up to Charlie's, drop it off, come back here, pick up the 570, and then go back up to Charlie's shop. So while we're talking, let's get going.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Well, guys, we got a little drive ahead of us, and I am starving. It's going on to 2:40 in the afternoon, haven't ate all day. I just need some food. And I know y'all are gonna say, what about your diet? What are you doing? What are you doing? Well, from time to time, you just gotta do it. So we get a little some Mickey D's here and get on the road. Excuse me, I have a special delivery. Special delivery. Did you get your hair did, Chuck?
Yeah.
Dude, you got your hair did, beard did. What's up, Ratchet? How's it going?
What up?
Dude, look at him. He looks like a new guy.
Let's see the challenge. He's got a tiny head.
I wouldn't. What do you say? He's got a
Tiny head.
Yeah, well, you know. Hey, he's looking good. He's looking fresh.
All right,
Chuck is looking
so-
fresh. Oh my! What do you think of that? Dirty palms. Can you carry that?
Yeah.
You think so?
I think so.
Ping pow!
Ping pow!
Big bang! Ping pow! Dude, I do not know where that came from. Especially, look at that one over there. Hey, Chuck.
Hey-o.
I'll be back. Gotta go get the, we're kind of missing something.
Big bang! Ping pow!
We're missing something. We have an exhaust, but no car. I'll be back.
I'm gonna fit it on this Kia.
That's gonna be one badass down in Kia. Well, guys, we picked up the old 570S. You know, the one thing I'm not sure about this thing is the controls for the seat. I don't know how to do them. I push a button and it does something crazy. I need to scoot this seat back, but I'm not doing it till we get there because I don't want it to go any farther forward. It does. We'll really be in trouble. In the cab here, you don't hear barely any motor noise. I mean, we'll downshift it to, that's 5,000 RPMs. And I guess you can hear it a little bit more, but not like you should. But that's gonna change after we get this exhaust put on. Super excited for this. Once again, we're very impatient, so the downpipes are not getting put on today. We're just gonna get rid of these mufflers and stuff. But with the magic of YouTube, we'll be there in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for allowing us to use your shop once again. And, well, I was gonna thank them guys, but they haven't done nothing yet, so, you know.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a
We got the mufflers off, got the exhaust out. The cat deletes and all that, as I said, we're not doing the cat deletes and all that stuff today.
Wouldn't it be smarter to do to delete the catch first before you put the exhaust on?
I'm impatient. I want to hear it go vroom vroom. We need some noise. It sounds like a flipping.
Get out of the way.
Get out of the way. It sounded like a vacuum cleaner. But no, we're just impatient, guys. We want to hear some noise. We want to hear some ruckus. We don't want to hear vacuum cleaners or Teslas. This thing is not a Tesla. And that's kind of what it was sounding like. And check out this comparison right here. Holy cow. New exhaust versus the stock. I mean, look at the size of that dang thing versus this beautiful workmanship here. Absolutely stunning. What are you doing, Chuck?
Well, since yours broke, I gotta make one.
Make what?
A spacer for the exhaust plant. I got you a tummy yummy berry blast.
He doesn't even think it's funny. Are you trying to keep your composure, Charles?
Yeah.
Hey Chuck, have you drank any of that juice?
It's gone.
How's your tummy feel?
I feel like a kid again.
Yummy tummy.
Yeah.
Well, it's looking pretty good. What do you think, Chuck? You like it?
You want some turn downs? Blah, 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 blah.
Cold start, medium, not, is it cold, Chuck? Yeah. Lukewarm start, new exhaust. Well guys, you heard it. It sounds great. We're fixing to take this thing out and do a little pull down the road. I want to say, Ratchet, muchas gracias. Charles, as always, thank you much. Woo, a little bow and everything. John's Automotive, thank you for letting us use your space, I guess you'd say. Let's go hear this thing. Let's go get a pull done. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the exhaust sounds 100% better than the stock. Once we get that catless downpipes on there, it's gonna be magnificent. The tips that are on here are looking super fly, super fresh. I'm digging the tips, but overall, it's pretty dang impressive, fellas. It's really impressive. It handles like a little go-kart. The acceleration is pretty dang good. I think it would give a stock Huracan a run for his money. It may take it. Now, our Huracans, we got superchargers, so Peyton, no, get that out of your mind, Peyton, because you're not taking me down. But guys, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, that like button, turn on those notification bells. As always, don't forget about the 5K car sub giveaway. It's easy. It's super duper peasy. Hit subscribe, screenshot it, follow us on Instagram, DM us a screenshot, you're automatically entered to win. And as always, the most important thing, guys, you gotta dream it to live it. You gotta dream it to live it. See ya! Punchy! You coming to see me when I get home? Oh yeah, it's a good boy, buddy.